Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The article title is Grammar Instruction in Communicative Language Teaching Classrooms. Student Teachers Perceptions by Muhammad Hollandia, Dean Erlina, Leni Marzulina, and Fitria Rembulan Ramandani explores how both teachers and students perceive grammar instruction within the context of communicative language teaching. Conducted as a case study involving 2 teachers and 4 students from a junior high school, Madrasah Sanawiyah in Palembang, Indonesia. The research employed interviews and thematic analysis to draw its conclusions. The findings reveal that both groups recognize grammar as a crucial component of English language learning. Teachers see grammar instruction as essential for improving students' overall language proficiency. They incorporate group or pair work to foster communication and believe that error correction is an important part of the learning process. Teachers also view themselves as facilitators and motivators who support active students' engagement. Similarly, students perceive grammar as the core of English and appreciate interactive classroom activities like group work, which help them grasp the material more effectively. They acknowledge the importance of error correction in achieving communicative. Data collection analysis. In this research, in order to find out the teachers' and students' perception in grammar instruction in communicative language teaching, we use interview in order to gain information about teachers and students' perception towards grammar instruction in communicative language teaching classroom to analyze the data of teachers and students' perception toward grammar. To determine information about teachers and students' perception toward grammar instruction in communicative language teaching classroom. After we collected the data, we analyzed the data by using thematic analysis. Based on the data obtained from the interviews, we got some teachers' perception about grammar instruction in communicative language teaching. We found that most of the teachers agreed that the grammar was a crucial component in improving student skills in CLT classroom. It was because grammar was very helpful for the students in improving English language. Teachers, the data obtained from interview also showed that the teachers perceived that explicit grammar instruction was helpful in a CLT classroom activities. Based on the data obtained from interview, it was found some perception toward grammar instruction in communicative language teaching. Quality and quantity of error correction. Based on the data obtained from interview, we found that most teachers agreed that error correction was one of process to create students in mastering materials. However, the teachers also did not feel angry when the students made a grammatical error. The role of teacher in classroom. The data obtained from interview showed that in teaching grammar instruction in communicative language teaching, teachers act as motivator in the teaching learning process. Discussion. After analyzing the data by using a thematic analysis, it was found that there was several information about teachers and student perception toward grammar instruction in communicative language teaching classrooms. Those consisted of the importance of grammar, B. Classroom activities, C. Quality and quantity of error correction, D. The role of teacher in the classroom, E. The role and contribution of student in learning process. Therefore, the explanation of the factor was described as following in order to know further much information about them. The first was the importance of grammar. Most of teachers and students perceived that grammar was important in learning English language. The teachers agreed that the grammar was a crucial component in improving student skills in CLT classroom. It was because grammar was very helpful for the students in improving English language. Conclusion: based on the data analyzed by using thematic analysis, it was found teachers and students' perception toward grammar instruction in communicative language teaching. The first, teachers' perception in teaching grammar instruction in communicative language teaching classroom. Number one, the teachers think that provide students with explicit explanation was an effective way to teach grammar instruction in CLT classroom. Number two, in learning process, teachers using group and pair work was designed to promote communication in CLT classroom. Number three, teachers claimed that in learning process, error correction was one of process students to material, so correcting mistakes was an obligation for teachers. Number four, teachers perceive the result act as motivator in the teaching learning process and training students to take responsibility in develop their activities. Number five, in teaching grammar in instruction in CLT classroom, students should not only measuring the theory but also practicing the theory. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.